So this morning we just walking at TY Park. I can't pronounce it. Topeekeegee Yugnee Park. That is in Davie. And guys, it is awesome. It's awesome. We just change up the walking thing, you know, and do something different. And I'm going to show you some still shots from me take at the park. Some still shots from me take at the park. You know, I'll show you that as we go along. Sorry guys. But the park nice. So this is just gonna be a slideshow. Alright? Yes, this is just gonna be a slideshow of my park experience, and there is a RV park here as well. So let me tell you something guys. You see, if you're in South Florida and all this iguana there. Talk to them.
Yeah, if you're in South Florida and you are in the house, stop it. Stop it. It is not right. A joke. I mean, it is a beautiful place. Like, let me see if I can show you this lake right here. Can you see the lake behind me? Awesomeness. Oh wait, we don't reach it. Hold on.
So we just
see you there.
Show them me.
Awesome.
We just take a picture of the place, make them see. You know, we're not doing no video. We do just slideshow. Because it is so beautiful. I promise you, it is very beautiful right here.
Very beautiful.
Yes, very, very beautiful. So yeah, that's what I think said. Yeah, the belly we in a foreign. We have to make use of foreign. You understand what I say? And some people come here and turn slave to the system.
No.
Them there and them there work every day. Them not have no other life but work and church and supermarket and work and church and supermarket. No.
Work and church and supermarket.
Hey.
Work and church and supermarket.
Hey.
Work and church and work and church and work and church and supermarket.
But hey, church important, work important, supermarket important. But remember this, your health is 100% more important than all of that.
You need your health to do all of that.
Alright, if you don't have your health, you're going to trouble. Anyway, slideshow. And the water park is also a part of the facility, guys. May I tell you, it's not open now, but you know, it's also a part of the TY Park. And you pay a little small fee and you get in. And yeah, water park the whole day. Water park the whole day. What me say? Water park the whole day. Hey, water park the whole day. Alright, come. yes. So that's it, guys. We with the 2 laps, and that equal to each lap our 1 mile, though.
No, 2.
2 miles. Each lap is 2 miles. So we do 4 miles today, and take some picture and enjoy nature. Yes, nature. Nature is a beautiful thing. It is for everyone to enjoy and have fun while walking and exercising and seeing the beauty of God's creation. Up on a bird there. See there? Bird. Bird is the word.
Bird, bird.
So if you have the time, if you have a day off, you know, come out to the park. Florida have some really nice parks, and them really putting out effort. Right, see?
Right.
And so we recommend it. Oh yes, we doing that thing. This much. All the place is so beautiful. This much. Everywhere in the park is so nice. This much. All you guys wish you were here too. This much. Walk and make your body look so right. This much. Healthy is, healthy does. Hey, this much. A body in motion, stay in motion. This much. Everybody want to be right here now. This much. But you can't because you're there at work. This much. Join us for another day trip. Vlogging. Exercising. Oh, she's tired. She said if you get tired, I'm a bench. So, yeah. Once again, this is Discovering Hopes. This is Yardie Belly TV. See she gone on bench. Watch her, watch her. Watch her. She gone bathe, it's sunbathe. So why you have to go in the sun? Why you never go in the shade part? You're going like a brown. That's the thing in the Florida right about now, yeah? I'll go discover somewhere else next trip.